Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up surgery types within the hospital management system, a simple way to define the procedures your hospital offers, along with their duration and cost, so your scheduling and billing stay accurate. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu and type hospital to quickly pull up the relevant modules. Click Hospital Management to open the Hospital Management section. Next, click System Setup to reach your configuration settings. From here, click on Surgery Types to manage your different surgery categories. To add a new surgery type, click the plus icon here. In the form that opens, start with the name field, in this case, Plastic Reconstructive Surgery. A clear name keeps your procedure list easy to search and schedule against. Then add a short description so the scope is clear. For example, surgical procedure aimed at restoring function or appearance after injury or illness. Next, set the estimated duration in minutes. Here, 210. Accurate timing helps your team plan theater schedules and avoid clashes. Then enter the cost. In this case, $1,800. Setting this here means it carries straight through to billing every time the procedure is booked. Now set the status to active so the surgery type is live and ready to use. Once everything's in place, click Create to save the new surgery type record in the system. Now you can see that the surgery type we just created has been added. To update a surgery type later, click here to open its details. From here, you can adjust any detail or switch it to inactive whenever a procedure is no longer offered so it won't show as available. Then click Update to save, and your surgery type record is now current. And that's a wrap on surgery types. You've just learned how to create a surgery type, set its duration and cost, activate it, and update it when things change. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.